Hello everyone! Let's start with a flip through of my June setup. I'm still obsessed with how the first few pages turned out. However, I'm not too happy with how the last weekly turned out. So unhappy even that I did not finish the last weekly. June's theme took quite some time to make and I just not have it. So yeah. That's why for July I decided to do a retake on my April spreads from 2019 with peaches as my theme. So let's start with coloring in the letters of the cover page. For this, I'm using a Winsor & Newton fineliner in size 1. I am using 3 Tombows that Of Aspen will release in a limited edition July set later this month. The set contains the colors 905, 873, and 243. For more information, please keep watching or check the description box. I'm using the color 873 for the peaches. The shapes consist of really rounded heart shapes and ovals, and you can see that I'm just winging them and that I'm not trying to be too perfect with them. When all shapes are done, I'm adding in some shadows just by layering the color. Now it's time for the leaves. I'm drawing them with my Winsor & Newton fineliner in size 0.8. They are not meant to be perfect, and my goal is to have them look very loose and sketchy. In order to reach that effect, I'm going over every line twice and not trying to have them perfectly line up. This gives the loose vibe that I really adore about this setup. Finally, we can go in with the perfect minty green color. To keep the loose vibe of this theme, I'm not being precise at all with the coloring in the leaves. I purposely went outside of the outlines many times. Something I barely do is color blocking, but this color just asked for it. The vibrant coral red makes the peaches and of course the page pop. Now the background is colored, the cover page is finished, and we can move on to the monthly spread. With my monthly spread, I'm starting off with drawing the rounded heart shapes. followed by the leaves drawn with the fine liner. After that, I'm grabbing my peach Tombow again and I'm adding some depth to the peaches. Now I'm grabbing my green Tombow and I'm coloring in the leaves. Keep in mind to not be precise with this at all. I'm taping the edges with some washi tape to make sure that I have crisp lines. And after that, I'm going in with the coral red Tombow. Now the main drawing of the spread is finished, and I'm drawing in the word July. Now this is a super cute addition to add some color swatches in the right bottom. However, I did not really try to order out beforehand, and now it reminds me of a traffic light every time I see it. So unless you're not bothered by this, please change up the colors or grab the peach color and layer so you get different shades, because that would be super cute as well. To finish this page, I'm drawing the numbers in the calendar and highlighting these sections with the peach Tombow. Now this one is finished as well. Onto the quote and gratitude page. To be fairly honest, it's not really a quote, but I just really love the word peachy, so that's what I've drawn. The process is getting pretty repetitive now, so let me tell you about the Tombow set that I'm using. Aspen releases a monthly limited edition set of Tombows in our monthly drops, and for July, it's these colors. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. And if you want to get your hands on this set as well, you can find the link in my description to either the set or her mailing list, where you can have access to her July drop firsthand. This will of course depend on the date when you see the video. I also wanted to let you know that if you were thinking about getting a journal just like mine, with the code EMBERSNOTEBOOKS10 you will get 10% of your entire purchase at Archer and Olive. Using this code will save you some money and it will help me out as well. But for now, let's get back to the video. I'm almost done with the drawing, but I'm letting my ink dry for a bit. I'm drawing the word gratitude and numbering the days. After the ink has dried enough, I'm going in with a white fine liner to touch up some of the outlines. I will probably do this for the other pages as well after finishing this video. It's not a necessary step, but something that I feel would make it look even better. And finally, the last spread of this video, my weekly spread. Again, we're starting with the peaches. Followed by the line art of the leaves. Then it's time to color these in. I wanted to keep the background popping, but coloring the entire page would be too much, so I went with half of the page. To make sure I have crisp lines, I taped off my boxes with washi tape and went to work with coloring. When the background is colored, I'm adding in the finishing touch to the page, which in this case is the highlight at the bottom of each box with the peach Tombow. And there it is, the final flip through of my July 2021 setup. I'm so happy with how colorful and vibrant this setup turned out. I just wanted to quickly remind you that if you want to order at Ardshir & Olive, you can use the code AmbersNotebooks10 for 10% of your entire purchase. I hope you liked my video, and if you're new here, make sure to check out my other videos and like and subscribe. Hopefully this video gave you some inspiration for your journal. Comment down below what your July theme is. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!